Hi, Servando Orozco. Welcome to Orozco's Auto Service. Today's tip of the day is how to protect the coolant system of your vehicle. Your engine's coolant systems consist of more than just the radiator. The water pump circulates coolant to the engine and heater core and then returns it to be cool. High temperature compromise the entire system, causing rust, corrosion, and scale. A simple pH test can identify when coolant has stopped protecting vital engine parts and corrosion may begin. The Orozco's coolant system service cleans and then replenishes the entire system with premium coolant and supplemental BG conditioners. This preserves and protects the entire system from rust and corrosion. For more information, go to orozcosautoservice.com.